Hi! Today I'm going to be making scrunchies. So all I need is a piece of fabric that's 22 inches on the side. And then 3.5 inches over here. And you also need elastic. And that elastic band is supposed to be stretchy and 9 inches long. And then you need some safety pins over here. You need 3 of them, and they need to be a little bit big. And I use these things because you need them. You can use pins, but they're so sharp. So I decided to use this. And so the first thing you do is you keep your fabric the right way on your sewing machine, and then you fold it, and then you sew around it. If you need help for the pinning bits, you can ask someone to keep it straight, but if you don't need any help, you can do it by yourself. All you gotta do is put the top bit, like, because it unfolds like that, right? You put the bottom bit where you can see it. And while I normally do it, I sing. So, make sure you sew to the end. Back stitch. And there. Once you've done that, it's time to use the safety pins. Just get these. So you see, this is your sewing, right? You need this bit where this is your sewing. So you use the other side, and you put the pin through like this. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. And you push it up, and you connect it together like that. And make sure the pins are big, because it's pretty hard when it's small. Sometimes I do it because I run out of the big ones. But this time I won't, because I'm only doing one. So you stick this in, right? In, and like that. And then you can't see the pin anymore. Can you see it? No. So now you have the bottom of the pin, and you push the fabric that you see. And you get your second finger and hold it. You keep on doing that. You can do it really fast or really slow. You can pull the bottom of it or the top, like the push. And then you keep on doing that until the end. Then once you're at the end, you pull. Then you pull the fabric when you see it. And you have it the right way. And look, you can't even see the white marks anymore. Make sure it's unfolded like this, because look, it's folded. Unfold it like this and make it neat and tidy. And now you need the have one on. You do the same thing for the other one. Goes through. And then you do the same thing as you did before. This thing. The holding and pushing. Push, hold, push, hold, push, hold. Just try not to lose this bit because you need to sew that bit. And once you've done that, you can sew it. So I tie it normally. So let's tie. You tie 2 knots. So I can make an X, then put this through and do it. That's 1. It will untie if it's 1. Then you do another one. So like the double knot. And then you hide it, make sure it's tight. Then you hide it through here. Then, once you've done that, you need to push it to the side. And then you put the bigger side around this bit. So you push the smaller side inside the big thing. Then you push it under and you sew that bit and go through it a couple of times. Down, up, like that. I just want to do one more round of up and down. Now, that's how you make a scrunchie. So, if you like this video, go smash that like button, go press that subscribe button, and go comment because I love comments and I love reading them the most because all your support is